Good morning and welcome back, everybody. It is just before 7 o'clock. It's probably 6:45. I'm actually looking at the sky. I don't know if you can see behind me, but it was looking a little dark. I don't know if there's some rain that's in the forecast, but I had somebody call me that's not too far from me, and they locked themselves out of their Dodge. So I've got the break-in kit here, the Slim Jim or whatever you call that. I'm going to take that over there so they can get in. I'm headed over to Dad's. We're going to haul some wood for him. So the dump trailer, we hooked it up last night after the football game, and I'm going to head out there. So we'll just make one quick stop before we start our day. Okay, we're here. You can see behind me, this was actually a tree that I helped cut up, and we're not taking the little logs, just the big ones. So Dad's got his tractor, and oh, I forgot to mention, quick update. I did deliver the Slim Jim, so those guys have that. The Dodge owner is rescued. Yeah, Dad's coming around here. He's got his tractor, and we'll get all these logs loaded up. It looks like, I don't know, looks like maybe 2 trips, maybe 1 trip, depending on how risky we want to be with loading it up high. So all we're doing here is we're just taking like these big dudes that are too hard for a person to really handle easily, and then all those small logs we're leaving. He can split and cut those himself. Now she's locked in. Yeah, the truck's squatting a little bit on that one. Got her up front. Now the goal here is just, you know, they were nice enough to give us the wood. Dad's just kind of scraping the ground, getting all the bark and everything off the ground there. So yeah, just make it tidy and leave it better than you found it. All right, Dad's heading out, and so am I. Property owner is here, so she's actually working the gate for us, which is really nice. It was kind of a pain doing that with the trailer and his tractor. I'm just watching my mirrors here. Make sure we're good there. Don't want to hit any goats or poles. Watch that mirror, looking good. All right, we are out. Next stop, my wood pile. All right, getting ready to dump here. We'll see how it goes. Anytime you have logs that are kind of mounted up, when they start to slide, they do half rolls, they do things. They can get hung up on this piece up here. There's really no arms sticking off these, so I don't think they're gonna catch our gates, but just things to watch for, so I'll keep an eye while I'm dumping this. But that's what I'm looking for. That's a wrap for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications, and we'll see you next time.